Sydney, it's a boy.
If I say a girl one, then I'll tell you you're wrong and I'm right. If I say
Okay, is this a boy or a girl singing?
well, a girl.
It's not a girl.
It is.
It's Justin Bieber.
No, it's the Justin Bieber girl.
Well, he's a cute girl, but
It's just a girl, not a boy.
this is a boy, honey. I promise
No,
you.
it's not. If I see a real one, that's a girl, not a boy. If his name is Justin Bieber dancing, and then I'll catch one.
What are you gonna do with him when you catch him?
Put him in a jar if he's little.
He's a real person, baby. You can't fit him in a jar. He's a person like me and you. There said the kid. She thought Justin Bieber was a girl. A lot of people did.
It is a girl!
A lot of people did.
No,